Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to be showing you how to resolve Android WCAG error identification violations. WCAG 3.3.1, titled Error Identification, states that if an input error is detected, then the object that contains the error is identified and the error is described to the user in text. The intent of this success criterion is to ensure that users are aware that an error has occurred and are able to determine what is wrong. The identification and description of an error can be combined with programmatic information so that assistive technologies can provide error information to the user. Providing information about input errors in text allows us to ensure that people who are blind or colorblind are still able to perceive that an error has occurred. For more information on the specifics of error identification violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix an error identification violation with the help of the Mesmer JetBrains IDE plugin. But first, it'd be cool if you could like and subscribe. Here we have an error identification violation. Clicking on the resource ID allows us to scroll through the files that contain this resource ID to find the Kotlin and XML files responsible for this violation. Now that we've found the screen that contains this violation, let's pull up our emulator to see what it looks like. Right away from our emulator, we can see we're getting an error. Let's try entering in an address to see if this resolves the error. We're still getting an error. Maybe it wants an email address? There we go. So the error text was not helpful for us to discern what was the cause of the error. Let's see if we can fix this violation from the code. From the activity class, we can modify the error message such that a description of the root cause of the error can be provided to the user. Let's go ahead and do that. Now that we've added more descriptive error messages, let's spin up our emulator to see what our screen is able to see. Now it can easily be seen that a valid email address is required to validate the address. Just to be sure though, we'll try entering in a street address. As we can see, we get a more descriptive error message which allows the user to identify the root cause of their error. And just like that, we fixed our WCAG error identification violation. Which app are you making more accessible? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.